Puppies, you really want to go outside? Alright, well, I'm going to check on the worms. We'll let the puppies outside. I've been working on the yard, and they think the fertilizer and the blood meal just smell amazing. So every time I let them out, I have to make sure they don't go too crazy with the sniffs. But for those of you who checked in on the garden update a few weeks ago, that we were making some big changes in progress. We still are. It's ongoing. So I figured while out here with the urban worm bag update, I would just show you. Wally, I don't know what he's been sniffing, but there's something, I think, living in here because he's been over here a lot sniffing at it. But that's not why we're here, is it? We're here to check on the urban worm bag. And I have this big piece of cardboard, which I got from my nursery when I brought some plants home. And I thought, it's almost the perfect size, or it was a better size before I broke it down, but I want to put that in here. And then I also have some extra just kind of cardboard, that's some toilet paper rolls and some tissue paper, or some, I guess that's what is that? Paper towel, that's what I meant to say. So we are going to get in here, check on the feeding. Now, it's been about 10 days since they got the burrito feeding, so I'm not planning on feeding them again today because I don't think they would have busted through all of that so quickly, but we're going to check. So let's see. I think they've probably gotten through the outer layer, but I doubt they've fully gotten into it. But I could be wrong. Depends how hungry they are. Wow, temperature is definitely dropping in here. It is getting fall-like in Florida, I guess. That's great. So we're probably like 84 maybe. All right, let's see how we're doing. Okay. I guess I was just gonna use my hands, but it definitely feels more damp. We got our handy dandy scoop rubber. I mean, we can definitely tell it's wet over here. Ooh, this feels very hollow. Wow. Okay, just an initial assessment. It feels very hot. Like you guys can see how much I can squish that down. That is incredible. Oh my goodness. Hello? Oh my gosh. There's hardly any food left in here. Wow. Have you seen that? I mean, don't get me wrong, there's definitely still some food, but not a lot. Not a lot. I'm gonna just gently try and dig a little bit deeper. Wow. Look at all those wormies in there. Oh my goodness. Hello, everybody. Wow. Look at them go. That's awesome. Okay, well, they definitely ate more than I thought they were going to. And I knew that was a sweeter feeding for the most part anyways, but my goodness, that is phenomenal progress. I'm so happy to see that. I'm gonna just throw these in. All right, well, I don't think I'm gonna feed them again today because they're still working on that. But I definitely think we're going to be doing some more burrito rolls like that, maybe more regularly. That is so cool. I'm so proud of them. That's awesome. Okay, well, that was an unexpected but pleasant surprise, I think, as far as feedings go. So, good job, little worms, right? I mean, man, they're doing marvelous. Is this the best idea I've ever had? I don't know, but still not the worst. I'm just trying to make sure we keep it well insulated in here since I just disrupted it a little bit. Wow. So let's see, it's been 10 days since they've had that. Maybe not tomorrow, but maybe in like 2 or 3 days, we'll feed them again and try and do like a big burrito feeding. Like I said, in the past, I've mentioned how my freezer, I saved a bunch of food preemptively, and I do have a bunch that I want to start kind of emptying out, but I'm kind of curious if I can take some of like maybe my salad containers that I empty into the composter. Maybe I'll just fill one freeze it, and then dump it out into like, you know, because it'll be a big ice block of food. Maybe I'll dump it into like a burrito and then go for it and see how that goes. Because man, they're taking that real good. So I'm so proud. I'm almost at a loss for words. That's great. So that was a really exciting check-in. Make sure you're subscribed so you can check in with me and our hot frog, which we'll be doing probably this afternoon, tomorrow, soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see more exciting updates. And if you want more updates on Wally and Moose, make sure you follow them on Instagram. Hey Wally, you coming in? He loves his sunbathing. All right, big guy, come on in. Worms are checked on. And Moose. Here's our big guy. Come on in. All done. Bye, friends.